guess what else it depicts?
Put a candle in the window. Long as I can see the light.
You know, because it kind of looks like a window, guys. Or better yet, a window.
But I won't my way, no, no. Long as I can see the light. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind. The candle burned out long before the legend ever did.
You know, I guess that means that, like, you know, I guess they don't want us to know about free energy.
Hollywood created superstar. Pain was the price you paid.
John Fogerty, you got some explaining to do. Oh yeah, I forgot. Totally another side to this. There's probably nothing bad on this side, right? Can you say, do, looking out my back door? There's totally more, guys. You know, like, remember this record I bought back in Kelowna, BC? You know, It's My Life, The Animals. To date, I have depicted how the free energy device kind of looks like the Cup of Christ or the Holy Grail. And how it depicts King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table, which kind of depicts a lazy Susan. Side 2's even better, guys, because, you know, I'm going to change the world.
There's one thing I've got to say.
The free energy device also depicts putting a candle in the window.
Put a candle in the window.
Now in Game of Thrones, I think season 5 with Brienne of Tarth, she's trying to, you know, rescue Lady Sansa from Winterfell, and she tells her to put a candle in the window, and during that process, like, the helper lady gets, like, flayed alive. And the other dude, the Islander guy, he gets caught bringing the candle by the crazy guy. And, you know, in the end, she basically jumps over the wall, and I haven't watched season 6 yet, but, yeah, I just find that interesting.
Long as I can see the light.
Oh yeah, doesn't, like, Brienne of Tarth totally fail rescuing Sansa because she's, like, got this bloodlust thing for damn it.
And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind.
For Stannis. Yeah, she wants to, like, get vengeance on Stannis. So she goes and does that right when Lady Sansa puts the candle in the window, guys. Come on.
The candle burned out long before.
You know, like the candle blew out long ago? You know, because it's rotating in the wind, guys. Because in the free energy device, the wheels are rotating because it depicts power and 9.
The legend never did.
Your candle burned out long before your legend ever did. Because without knowledge of heaven, okay, you don't have any knowledge of the magnet there, okay, which creates rotation and free energy.
Put a candle in the window.
These songs are just all about creation, okay? It's about the 110, okay? It's about the one right here that goes all the way around. That's a one from a certain point of view. And so is the ring of solenoids, okay? The 36 solenoids and 9 per quadrant, 9 per 4 quadrants of the window to make a ring, okay? That's also a one from a certain point of view. And the one-dimensional line here is going to look like a zero-dimensional singularity, okay? It's 110. It's a fly speck. It's two one-dimensional lines connected to a zero-dimensional singularity, okay?
And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind.
It's all about the story of creation, okay? It's all about starting at the first quadrant with your P, going to your B, going to the D, and then going to the 9. It's the same story as Lord of the Rings, with the 3 rings to the elves, the 7 rings to the dwarves, and the 9 ring to men, okay? Because the P is the 26th letter and the 16th letter because it's a capital P. So it's 26 plus 16 is 42. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. It's 42. It's the beginning. It's creation of heaven. It's the creation of the 3 rings. Okay? And then after that, you get the 2. So that's creation of duality because you start with a 1 and then you expand on that to create a new 1. Okay? The 8-bit cell, because it's a 2 by 2 by 2 inside a 6 by 6 by 6 inside an 8 by 8 by 8. Okay? And then the 4 are the windows that you see. The 4 quadrants that you can collect energy from, guys, from the 9 solenoids per quadrant, where your wires are going to be, okay? While this is spinning. Slow and steady wins the race. It's going to build up. So that's your 2, that's your 4, because that's your B and that's your D. So then your 9, again, it's the 9 magnets, okay? It's a depiction of a plus and an X, guys. It's a depiction of a plus with 4 of them and an X with 4 of them, because creation is all about adding and multiplying. And you have 8 total, plus 1, in heaven, connecting, finally, heaven to the earth, the inside walls of the beach ball. Okay, 110, the 4th dimension, is the linkage, okay, between heaven and earth. And that linkage is energy. The creation of free energy. It's the story of creation, guys. Look, it's the P in the first quadrant, the B in the second quadrant, the D in the third quadrant, and the 9, okay? So you have your 42, the answer to everything in The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. You have your B, which is the number 2 for lowercase, for duality, of a 1 and a different kind of 1. And you have the D, which are your 4 quadrants per face, okay, of your, 7 or your 6 sides, I guess, or your 14 sides, depending which way you look at it. And there's your 9, which is needed to create energy. Because it's all about the story of creation, okay? All these songs, everything, guys. It's all about creation. One last thing. It's been bugging me because I've been trying to figure out 16, 17, and 18 just because. I've gone up to like 12, 13, 14, 15 is son of, 16 is the P, 17, Q, 18 is R. That's been bugging me because like songs like 16 candles, and then other songs like, The Age of 17 by Stevie Nicks, covered by Beyonce, and then we have 18. 18's important, guys, and it just dawned on me, like, you have your 8 here joined to your 1 in heaven. Sorry, your 1 in heaven connected by a one-dimensional line. So it's your 1 and your 8. It's your 18. It's your R. It's a creation of your letters. It's a creation of your alphabet. It's creation. It's creation.